Scrape is one of the main Firecrawl endpoints, and it turns any URL into clean data. Markdown by default, but it also supports structured JSON, images, links, and so much more, all in an LLM-ready format. Let's quickly go through how to use it. Here is a basic project using the Firecrawl Node SDK, but you could also use the Python SDK, the CLI, curl, and many others. And all I'm doing here is scraping the Hacker News site, getting a summary, then logging the results. So when I run this file, Firecrawl renders the page like a real browser and extracts the results, meaning it handles JavaScript, dynamic content, and is able to get clean data from sites that are difficult to parse. Getting a summary is great, but it's just text. If you want specific fields out of this site, like title and author, you could change the format from summary to JSON with a custom XOD schema, and you could even add a prompt to refine the results. But what about data that lives behind a click, like a search or a load more button? For that, Scrape can keep the page open and let you interact with it. You scrape the page, grab its scrape ID, and then you can drive it with plain English or with Playwright specific code, giving a clear task per prompt. And then we can output the response from the answer we want before stopping the interaction. And when you've got a whole list of URLs you want to scrape, then there's Batch Scrape, which has the same options and runs across every URL at once. So there you have it, a quick overview of the Scrape endpoint. Be sure to check out our documentation to learn more about it, and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your feedback.